Okay, Regents Exam 1, question number 19. If the original function f of x equals 2x squared minus 1 is shifted to the left 3 units to make the function g of x, which expression would represent g of x? So, this comes down to what you know. If you remember transformations, when we're moving things, movement left and right is determined by inside parentheses. Movement up and down is controlled by outside of parentheses. So here, if we're moving left, it's inside. And the key term is inside is opposite. So one would think if I want to move to the left on the number line, I do -3. But since inside is opposite, I actually do +3. So I take parentheses with my x and I add 3 to move it to the right. And this is the answer to question number 19. If you don't remember inside, opposite, outside, same, we're given the answers here. Anytime that they give us what the answer choices are and we have what we started with, we can always graph it. So I start home screen, new document, say no to drugs, and I want to graph the original. So the function we start with is 2x squared minus 1. 2x squared minus 1. Now, this is a parabola. So I know that if I look at the vertex, I want to move that vertex to the left 3 units. So this needs to go from here, 1, 2, 3 to here. And that's going to move every point on that function 3 units to the left. We already determined what the answer was. So we know that 2 times x plus 3 quantity squared minus 1 moves us 3 units to the left. So if you graph all 4 functions, you will find the right answer. Notice I go back to my command line and change that to a minus, it's actually going to move the function to the right. So worst case scenario, you may have to graph all 4 of these to find out which one works if you don't remember inside opposite, outside same. But like I said before, anytime that the answers are provided and you know what you're starting with, you should always be able to use your graphing calculator to determine the correct answer, which of course is 2 times x plus 3 quantity squared minus 1.